You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. So it's a time for the package from China, but this time we're going to do it slightly different. We do have 3 devices over here, but we're going to take a close look at one at this moment. So the one that we're going to take a close look at is this version. This is the Mini HD video game system. We have reviewed so many of these bloody devices, but this particular one is quite interesting, even now, to pick it up. And the reason also I want to review it, because this is a typical fake NES Mini Classic that you can find on AliExpress, Wish, whatsoever. They have released so many of these devices, it's absolutely ridiculous. But this one does have the TF function, a function you don't see very often in combination with the HD or the HDMI compatibility. Even this thing comes in a fancy box. It wouldn't be the first time that the product itself will be garbage. That was like the gamble with these devices. That's mainly the reason why I started reviewing them, because like there's so much stuff out there, but when you're getting it, sometimes it's going to be like a huge disappointment. And that is something that we can't have over here. So inside the package itself, we're going to get ourselves the Famicom Mini or the NES Mini. And the quality is absolutely like garbage compared with the original one. And I mean, like when you're looking at the plastic, it looks not like a real authentic, but it's of course not the case because it's a fake one, so you can really easily see it that it's a fake one. And of course it doesn't have the, I think it was the Wii remote control connections that have the original one. This one does have like the old school one with the pins. We do have an on off and a reset button over here. It does have an entertainment system, and at the back here we can see that it does have a TF card and an HDMI, an input 5V DC micro USB. But let's take a close look inside the package. What are we going to get? Yeah, we're going to get ourselves this flimsy, let's say horrible power supply 5V. Quite okay, like a long HDMI cable. But the controllers, that is a different story. So I already told you, you cannot use your original NES Mini Famicom things on the controller on your device. So we do get like, we're stuck with this. We're stuck with these things. And yeah, when you're looking at the quality again, the plastic is completely different. It feels also very strange. We do have like turbo function, so I really like turbo function with some games. But unfortunately, like the quality is not the same, but not like super bad. Okay, so this is basically what we're going to get with the stuff, the unboxing and the system. Let's connect it. Okay, let's do a quick ETA Prime moment for opening up. Guessing I need to remove the feet like always, because the screws are beneath that. Alright, so let's remove the rubber pads. They feel quite durable. Yeah, sometimes you're going to give more like these foam kind of feet, and when you try to remove them, you're going to destroy them. Okay, I'm curious what's inside, how many PCBs are we going to get, and I'm guessing this is a NES on a chip. And they are stating there are 700 games. That looks like they're just lying like always, because that is just not possible. I'm guessing we're going to get a lot of double games, we're going to get a lot of crappy games. It's going to be just one freaking nightmare. Let's open it up and let's see. Okay, there's nothing else over here. Okay, so what are we going to get inside? We're having here one big PCB. Oh yeah, hot glue fetish. Oh yeah. Okay, the switches are 2 micro switches for resetting. And this is quite interesting. I have no idea what it is. It looks like a freaking antenna or whatever. Okay, there are only 2 chips on this main board. It says Monkey King. Hey, the Monkey King 3B is back. So this is a very famous, I've already seen this chipset with the, let's say the Mega Drive, I'm saying it correctly. There's basically the new generations of Famicom clones, NES clones, Sega clones. And they are just now using completely new mainboards for these. But it says here 2019. So this is not a mainboard that they produced in 2020 when I'm making this video. Okay, it's quite interesting. So thanks to one member in the Wicked family, or multiple members, that I got some more information about this Monkey King 3.6 processor. It was actually a rebranded Rockchip RK3036. And it has a dual core Cortex A7 processor with a Mali 400 MP GPU. And the system is running on Android 4.4. So yeah people, we're going to get Android. So like the Sega version, this thing also runs with the same specifications when it comes to the mainboard. Fun thing is, with the previous models they were using more like a multi-game card inside a tiny casing. But now we're going to get this. It's more like an Android lookalike menu. And you can hear that sound. Oh yeah, indeed, there are actually 700 games on this thing. Or, would I say 700 different games? And here on number 701 we're going to get the SD function. But the list is in alphabetic order, I can see, so that is a good thing. But I know for sure they're not 700. I know for a fact there will be a lot of different homebrew games on it. And a lot of double games. But okay, so let's check out, let's play some games. Let's see how this thing is even running the games. How good is it? The sound is not like the original. It sounds a little bit messed up. And let me get... Yeah, of course I messed it up. I guess when I'm pressing select to start, I can go back to the menu. There is something that is happening. No. I can pause the game. Okay, let's press the reset button. It actually resets. It's reloading. That's it. Okay, so there is no quick load, quick save option with this system. Okay, what Angry Bird game is this? It was called Angry Birds 2. Okay, so I can shoot with this game. What kind of weird homebrew adventure game is this? And I can shoot arrows. Okay. Ah! Here he's coming. I'm Spec-Man. And I'm going to punish the wicked. Damn it! Oh yeah, turbo buttons. That's right, Mortal Kombat Trilogy, home, the NES. I have never seen this homebrew game before, by the way. I did see Mortal Kombat... Oh, it's Mortal Kombat 5. Ah! What is that weird song? Okay. Sub-Zero versus Fidel. But when you're seeing this product, it's highly possible that it isn't even for sale anymore. That is what happens a lot on AliExpress or Wish. You can see it, you can pick it up, and after like maybe a couple of weeks or years or months, whatever, it's out of stock. And they will never come back. But the overall quality is not, let's say, the most horrible like device I've ever had in the collection. But this is an okay one. It's more like the original one is the best one to get. So if you can pick that one up, most of the time it will cost me like 12 or maybe triple the money you're paying for a fake one. But yeah, that's basically what you're going to get. It's pretty damn cool. You can add some games. That is an awesome feature. But thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Hit that little bell. Become the Wicked family. And it will be great to see you in the next video.